This Bilstein B6 4600 series rear shock is designed to improve handling, stability, and ride comfort for the 2015 and newer four-wheel drive F-150s, but excluding the Raptor, making it a great option for daily drivers, hauling, and off-road adventurers. If you're looking for better control and reduced body roll without sacrificing ride quality, this shock is an excellent option. This shock is specifically engineered to enhance on-road comfort and off-road performance, using Bilstein's monotube gas pressure technology to deliver consistent dampening under all conditions. It's designed to provide better traction, stability, and control, especially when carrying heavy loads or towing. The digressive piston design adapts instantly to changing road surfaces, offering a smooth and controlled ride whether you're on the highway or that rough terrain. The monotube design also prevents foaming, contributing to its improved performance. This B6 4600 series shock features a durable steel body with a corrosion-resistant zinc coating, ensuring long-lasting performance even in harsh elements. The gas-charged monotube design helps prevent shock fade, keeping your ride stable and responsive over time. Additionally, the self-adjusting disc valving ensures optimal dampening performance for your truck's weight and suspension setup. As far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $100 price point per shock, which makes it an affordable way to improve your rear suspension of your F-150 and improve the ride quality even under heavy loads. Installation on this is going to be a straightforward shock replacement process with a direct bolt-on design that requires only basic tools. No modifications are necessary, and you can expect the install to take you about 1 hour of your time. We're going to give this a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, since you do need to get into that suspension system and press the spring in order to replace the shock. Now, let's see exactly how that process goes with an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
We used a 15mm ratcheting wrench and an 18mm ratcheting wrench. You could just as well use a normal wrench. I used a 15mm deep well socket with electric ratchet just to speed things up, but regular ratchet, wrenches, whatever, just 15 and 18 is all you need. So I'm gonna remove the bottom shock first. You're gonna need a 15 and 18. Pull that one out, set it aside. This top one has a captured nut on the side, and I've got aftermarket wheel well liner, so it's a little tough to get a ratchet in there. So go to wrench. So you can see that's a captured nut, so when you're tightening it, it goes against the metal, so you don't need a wrench on the back. Mine's a little tough to pull out because I've got these fender liners. If you take the shock and move it out of the way, then you won't fight tension on the bolt. You can pull that out, so that side. On the install, I like to do the top first, so I'm not fighting the pressure, centering the bolt in the top. So get that in, put this captured nut back up here. Get it started. And what I like to do is get the second one started before I tighten both up. So you can compress the shock by hand, move it into the mount. I can tighten these up. 15 and 18. Take the wrenches, tighten them up. Okay, other than some adjustment on this rubber boot, this side's done.
All right, that's going to wrap up our review and install of this Bilstein B6 4600 series rear shock for the 2015 and newer four-wheel drive F-150s, but not including the Raptor. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.